In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Grammarly by phone. If you're looking for a way to reach out to Grammarly's support team but aren't sure how to do so directly via phone, there's an important thing to note. Grammarly does not offer direct phone support. But don't worry, there are still effective ways to get in touch with them for assistance. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Grammarly's contact page. To do this, go to www.grammarly.com/contact. This page is your gateway to accessing Grammarly's support services. Once you arrive at this page, look for the option that says View Support Page and click on it. This will guide you to a comprehensive resource center where you can find various ways to resolve your queries. On the support page, you'll notice a section featuring several articles. These are crafted to address the most common questions and issues users face. Take a moment to search through these featured articles. Often, your concerns might be addressed in one of these well-documented guides. It's definitely worth checking, as finding an instant solution can save you time. However, if you happen to search through the articles and don't find a satisfactory answer to your specific concern, don't worry, there's still a clear path forward. Head back to the support page, and this time, look for an option labeled Contact Us. Clicking here will open up additional avenues to communicate your issue. You'll need to select a relevant category that best fits the nature of your inquiry. This ensures your request is directed to the appropriate team who can assist you most effectively. Next, you'll need to submit a ticket. This is your chance to thoroughly explain the issue you're experiencing. When filling out the details of your ticket, it's essential to provide as much information as possible. The more details you give, the easier it will be for the support team to understand and resolve your query quickly. If you have any pertinent files or screenshots that could help clarify your situation, be sure to attach those as well. Comprehensive information leads to more effective and quicker support. And there you have it. Even though you can't reach Grammarly by phone directly, by following these steps, you can easily connect with their support team through their online resources. We hope this guide assists you in overcoming any challenges you might face while using Grammarly. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you back here for more helpful guides. Have a great day.